In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem code and last the survival shooter. So this should be a quick and easy process video. Now without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So this is how to redeem the codes. Let's see, survival shooter does not currently include a code redemption feature, but based on similar mobile games, this is how the process will work. Access the game and locate your avatar in the top left corner. Click on it, then select the gear icon to open the settings menu. Then find the redeem code option. After that, enter your valid code into the designated text field and click confirm. After that, your rewards will be automatically delivered into your inventory. As you can see at this picture, now congratulations, the rewards has been delivered to your inventory and you can start using them. So this was an easy and quick process video. As always, thank you for watching.